Combining 468 cubic inches of Chevrolet power with a stout 5-speed drivetrain and striking blue and black aesthetics, this 67 Camaro draws big crowds and big compliments. And if you're one of the many enthusiasts looking for a fun classic that's unrelentingly cool, this is your ticket. Built by Wildman Custom of Hockley, Texas, this formidable F-body features a seamless layer of GM Imperial Blue Metallic base that's been traced with custom stripes and sealed in glossy clear, featuring a billet rally sport grille and red pinstripes highlighting airbrushed callouts. This Camaro packs a lot of character to back up its powerful punch. Decked in attractive suede and leather, this Chevy's tastefully customized interior is tailored and tall. SCAT Procar buckets stretch red and white stitching under hardy harnesses. A body-matched dash features Dakota Digital gauges, while a custom console centers a billet shifter in front of controls for modern air conditioning, and a brush buttoned steering wheel laps a tilting column. Check this Camaro's smooth engine bay and you'll find 468 cubic inches of buff Chevy big block that turns killer power into massive torque. Getting that power to the ground is a Tremec 5-speed that spins a 12-bolt rear with an Auburn posi. It doesn't take Oxford's Guide to Gearheads to understand the appeal of this incredible Camaro Restomod. In fact, we can sum it up in one sentence: a restored big block Camaro modified in all the right ways. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.